Ian Tyson has touched my heart in different songs, and he was an Albertan. He loved Alberta, as we do. It's given us so much, and we will not stand and watch the globalists take it away on us. We will not stand. As I look into my children's eyes around our table, I look at him in the eyes and I say, your dad will fight till his death for you. You never forget that. It's a big commitment, but I'm committed. Four strong winds, Ian Tyson. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. I think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. I've got some friends that I can go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times before. Four strong winds, sing along, that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Yeah, for the good times